new i20 N-Line. Unfortunately, there are no changes in the performance from the table one. It's still the same, but the difference is that this one has got all the cosmetics. It looks the part, but doesn't perform the part. You know, as you can see, red and black roof, two-toned. Yeah, beautifully designed mag wheels. Yeah, on some 16 inches, and then the end spot is going to come in 17 or 18. This one comes in 16. As you can see, is the N-Line with black side mirrors. Check out the interior of the N-Line. Start with the door. It's a full house. As you can see, the controls over here, it's a full house. 2 pedals there, automatic, traditional gear thing for changing. It's a dual clutch transmission as well. 10 inches display over there, visual display for the driver as well. The seats are leather with this. I like this finish. This red finish is so beautiful. Check out the back. And the sunroof as well, although it's for the front people. Yeah, it's really beautiful. Nice job, Hyundai. They're going crazy with the red stitching here, ne? Red lining, everything is just red. You need to know that you're driving an N-Line, which is looking very good, which performs well, but not as good as the N Sport, you know, because there's no changes in the engine. It's just the cosmetics, but this cosmetics did justice to it because it looks the part. Let's close the door properly. Not very big in the market, but it's okay. While you subscribe to this channel and liking this video, let's talk about the Hyundai i20 N-Line. We will talk about what's under the bonnet, we'll talk about the features, and we'll also talk about the price. So now Hyundai says there are 27 differences between the Hyundai i20 fluid turbo and the i20 N-Line. Basically, the differences are the cosmetics. As you can see, the grills there is totally different. The exhaust the different from the fluid. The front bumper is muscular and demand attention. The red accent and all of that. But the interior is almost the same. You know, the difference is basically on the cosmetics. Now let's take a look at the engine. It's a 1-liter TGDI engine with a turbo with 3-cylinder mounted on a 7-speed automated dual clutch transmission. It has got 90 kilowatts power output, which is 120 horsepower, and also delivers 172 Newton meters of torque. It revs up to 6,000 revolutions per minute, while the competitor, which is the Polo R-Line, has got 85 kilowatts, which is 113 horsepower, with 200 Newton meters of torque. The Hyundai i20 N-Line goes from 0 to 100 in 9.9 seconds, claimed by Hyundai themselves, while the Polo R-Line goes from 0 to 100 in about 11.3 seconds. Now, before we jump to the features of this car, you should know that the i20 N-Line will cost you around about 400,000, and then the Polo R-Line will cost you around about 490,000. Already you've seen that the Hyundai i20 N-Line is faster than the Polo R-Line from 0 to 100. Now let's look at some of the features. This car includes the ABS, EBD, stability control, airbags, electric windows, power steering, keyless access, cruise control, climate control, Bluetooth connectivity, sunroof, xenon lights, multifunction steering wheel, PDC, reverse cameras, and many more. I just mentioned the few that I think you might be interested in. So now I want to address something. Come on, guys. This thing of you saying, hey, the features are the same, the everything is the same, but the build quality is not the same. Where did you get that? Huh? You guys can't be judging the newest models of Hyundai or Mahindra or Haval with the cars that were made 100 years ago. You guys are comparing the today's Polo R-Line with Hyundai accent of 100 years ago. No, stop it. Yeah, stop it. Go go and see the car for yourself. Go to your nearest dealership, check it out, and tell me about that build quality you're talking about. Ne? And then let's talk from then, because they've improved in all the way possibly. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.